taking some
Hello
food
guys, we are
today.
here, yo Ido. Take some nice pictures.
I-
Hello Philippines. Oh, I didn't know you're a vlogger.
Casual vlogger only. I don't really do that much.
Just memory.
Yeah.
Ah, okay, got it. Wow, really? Here is more. The trees. Better than there.
It's better here.
Yeah.
And lesser people, maybe because it's farther.
Wow, so nice. Wow, I really like Philippines. Oh my god, good memories. The ocean, mango juice. Oh my god. Dry mango.
Oh,
have been to Guimaras.
Huh?
Guimaras is like our
Mango
island.
capital.
So they go. It's a small island. just
Okay.
between-
Limaras.
Yeah. It's between Cebu and Iloilo.
I've been to Bohol.
Yeah. It's on the other side of the Cebu. So Guimaras is a small island, and they grow the mangoes there.
So it's very authentic.
Yeah. It's the sweetest mango. They said it's the sweetest mango in the world.
Wow.
And they have lots of like dishes made from made with mangoes.
Wow. Halu halu. Halu halu.
Halo halo is like the Filipino version of bingsu.
But they have like mango pizza.
Wow, even mango pizza.
Yeah. Surprisingly good.
Mango pizza, first time I see. Mango pizza.
But if you like mango, go to Guimaras.
Guimaras.
Guimaras Island. It's just about 30-20 minutes from
Cebu?
Iloilo.
Iloilo.
근데 고기는 얘네가 좀
Congress. In Korea, they only have Congress. They don't have Senate. It's not a big Cameroon. Oh, it's in Philippines. You
Yeah,
have
Congress and Senate.
이게 안 보이냐 너는.
siya. So medyo ang hirap maghanap ng lugar na wala masyadong tao. So let's try baka dun sa malayo-layo ay sum-access tayo sa pagpipicture taking with the cherry blossoms.
여기서 한번 다시 트라이 해보자. 트라이. 다시 엔셋.
Medyo late na kasi ako nakaalis, pero I would suggest going here earlier para hindi ka mahirapan kumuha ng photo, especially kung gusto mo na yung cherry blossoms ang background. But still, okay naman, Seoul Forest. So solo day ko ngayon kaya nagagawa ko to. So yung kasama ko nasa Legoland siya ngayon. At bilang wala akong kaamor-amor sa Lego, hindi ako sumama. Gusto ko lang din talaga makita yung Seoul Forest na may cherry blossoms, yung cherry blossom lane. Kasi I've been here winter, summer, and fall. Spring, yes, pero hindi ko naabutan na merong cherry blossoms. Kaya, ayan, nasaktohan natin yung timing ngayon. Pinuntahan na lang din. Anyway, tanghali na ngayon dito. Mainit yung araw pero malamig yung hangin. So, naka-windbreaker lang ako ngayon. Unlike nung unang dating namin nung Saturday, medyo hindi ko na-enjoy yung pink cherry blossoms sa Seokcheon Lake kasi buong araw umuulan ng Sabado. I'm still thinking kung pupuntahan ko. We'll see. So pagkatapos ng Seoul Forest, pupunta ako sa Seongsu. May nang ako napadpad. Mali ata ako nang napuntahan kasi na-expect ko makikita ko yung Sharon Land. But anyway, nangangalin na kamay ko. Teka lang, pause muna. Ito naman yung section kung saan ako nagpicture last autumn and summer ng pataas yung shot, like paganyan. So ito yung parang Nami Island ang dating dito sa Seoul Forest. May isang section siya, so pagkalabas mo ng Mugunghwa Forest madali naman siyang makita. So ngayon walang utaw kasi lahat ng utaw nandun sa Cherry Blossom Lane. Pero pag autumn mabenta to kasi ngayon kalbo ang mga punog. Pero kung bet mong magpaka-out of the woods Taylor Swift, o ayan, go lang. Picture lang dito. Actually, ba't di ako mag-picture dito? Tarik-tarik yung araw. And let's go. Yan. Nothing really special pero medyo may bakas pa ng winter, hindi pa tumutubo yung mga dahon-dahon. And ang lakas ng loob kong suotin to. Nakakita ako sa Hongdae ng sapatos ni Sunghoon. There. The Adidas Taekwondo. Hindi ko na alam saan ako pupunta. Babalik na ba ako? Sige, lakad-lakad muna. So kung gusto mo ng break from the busyness of Seoul, Hongdae, ganyan, to sa Seoul Forest, ga-enjoy ka, chill lang, ga-enjoy kang maglakad-lakad, and nature ang view. Parang first time kong pumunta rito ng tanghaling tapat. Normally, I go here early in the morning or late in the afternoon. But still, araw lang ang kalaban, pero malamig naman, so okay lang.